welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you guys can remember, some of these head walls before as they were piped in. Also cutting in the nurse station additions, working on these head walls by changing out the screws that they normally come with, the slotted screws to the security screws, because this is a behavioral room or whatever they call it, behavioral health. So nothing goes crazy or anything like that. I got the security screws for the patient safety. Also got another operating room under the belt. Got interrupted this morning I think it was about 8 o'clock or so. Got interrupted, got the phone call that we are going to do another operating room, so we hopped upstairs with a little bit less time and got it knocked out. This one was just as hard, or the hardest one, with trying to put the lock nut into the cut-in box. That just never works out. Anyways, got that in, got the string in, and then got the other string in down to the cabinet. So that all worked out, got it done pretty much right at lunchtime, so this one took about 3 or 4 hours, I think. It was more difficult, and then after that, went back downstairs and kept on screwing it up. Went ahead and switched out almost another whole room of screws, as there was a little bit of time left in the day. Have to retap some of these holes because they're just kind of gunked up. But anyways, that's it. Got about 3 more rooms to do with these tomorrow, but that's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. God bless you tomorrow. Peace.